Every country has its customs, but some traditions are so bizarre they seem to come from another world. From baby jumping festivals to tomato pies, from fireworking months to people dangling from hooks. The world is full of strange rituals that defy logic yet define culture. Today, we will take you on a journey across continents to explore the world's most bizarre traditions and reveal the surprising meanings behind them. The first one, Baby Jumping Festival, Spain. Let's start with one of Spain's most jaw-dropping traditions, El Colacho, also known as the Baby Jumping Festival. Every year in the village of Castrelo de Murcia, men dressed as devils take over rows of babies lying on mattresses in the street. Sounds terrifying? It's actually a 400-year-old ritual meant to cleanse the babies of sin and bring them good luck. No baby has ever been harmed, but it's certainly one of the strangest sights you will ever see in a religious festival. The second one, Pusam Piercing Festival, Malaysia. Next, we'll travel to Malaysia for a festival that tests the limits of human devotion, Thai Pusam. Devotees pierce their skin, cheeks, and even tongues with sharp metal skewers as an act of faith to Lord Murugan. Some carry massive ornate structures called kawadi, often weighing up to 30 kilograms, attached to their bodies with hooks and spears. Despite in pain, participants say that feel no suffering, only spiritual ecstasy. It's a surreal display of faith, endurance, and cultural identity that continues here Easters from around the world. The third one, La Tomatina, Spain. Now imagine a small town turning into the world's biggest food fight. Welcome to La Tomatina, held every year in Bunol, Spain. Tens of thousands of people throw over hundreds tons of ripe tomatoes at each other in pure joyful chaos. What started as a random street brawl in 1945 is now one of the craziest festivals on earth. By the end, the entire town is like a river of tomato pulp. And the best part, it's followed by a massive street cleaning, leaving Bunol spotless again. The fourth one, fireworking, Japan. In Japan, monks perform a ritual that seems straight out of a martial arts movie, fireworking. During the Hibatari Matsuri festival, Buddhist monks and brave participants walk barefoot across a bed of smoldering coals. This act symbolizes purification, discipline, and the burning away of negative energy. Astonishingly, most complete it without injury thanks to a special preparation of the coals and focused meditation. It's a dramatic reminder that strength often comes from calmness within. The fifth one, the Day of the Dead, Mexico. In Mexico, death isn't something to fear, it's something to celebrate. During Dia de los Muertos or Day of the Dead, families build colorful altars, decorate graves with marigolds, and offer food to honor their ancestors. It's a festival of music, laughter, and remembrance, a blend of indigenous Aztec beliefs and Catholic traditions. To outsiders, the skulls and skeletons may seem eerie, but for Mexicans, it's a beautiful celebration of love that transcends death. The sixth one, Bullet and Globe Ritual, Brazil. In the Amazon rainforest of Brazil, the Satara Maori tribe has a rite of passage unlike any other, the Bullet and Globe Ritual. Young boys must wear gloves woven with hundreds of bullet ants, insects known for having the most painful sting in the world. They must endure this for several minutes without showing pain. The ritual is meant to symbolize courage, endurance, and transition into manhood. Scientists describe the pain as like walking over burning charcoal with nails driven into your foot. And yes, they have to do it 20 times to become warriors. The seventh one, Kanamara Matsuri, Japan. Now brace yourself, because this next one is both bizarre and surprisingly cheery. In Kawasaki, Japan, people gather every spring for the Kanamara Matsuri, also known as the Festival of the Steel Palace. Yes, it celebrates fertility with giant pink and black statues, sweets, and parrots shaped like male anatomy. Historically, it originated from a legend about a demon hiding inside a woman's body, which a blacksmith drove out using an iron palace. Today, the festival promotes sexual health awareness and HIV education, turning ancient myth into modern celebration. The eighth one, Cheese Rolling Festival, England. And finally, we head to England, where people risk life and limb to chase the beloved cheese. At Cooper Hills, competitors race down a steep slope after rolling the of double Gloucester's cheese. The hill is so steep that most stumble and crash spectacularly, but that's part of the fun. The winner gets to keep the cheese, the lifelong bragging rights. It's wild, chaotic, and hilariously British, proving that not all bizarre traditions have deep meanings. Some are just for pure joy. From baby jumping devils to tomato betters and fire-wonking monks, the world is full of customs that seem strange but tell powerful stories about faith, courage, and joy. Every bizarre tradition carries a piece of human history and a reminder that what seems odd to one culture is sacred to another. So, which of these amazed you the most? Tell us in the comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the world's most extraordinary traditions.